I'm Rick Kapitan. I'm an oral and maxillofacial surgeon in Charlotte, North Carolina, and the founder of the Clinicians Implant Academy. Clinicians Implant Academy is a training facility that is created specifically to elevate people's experience and knowledge relative to all phases of implant dentistry. That includes the management and site preparation of the implant locations, implant surgery itself, bony augmentation of the jaws, sinus lifts, full arch, remote anchorage cases, complications, all of that on the surgical and the restorative side. We specialize in being able to customize our courses to suit the needs of our clients. And we have a really broad relationship spectrum of different vendors that we can assemble to make each and every one of these courses very unique and very tailored to the needs of our clients. I felt the need to found Clinicians Implant Academy and turn it into what it is today after many years of speaking on the lecture circuit and at programs and delivering content that I hoped was of high quality. But what I realized that there was not a true curriculum that went with it. So people were coming, they were getting these skills, this information, going home, hopefully applying it, but with no continuity and really no follow through. In order to fix that, I decided to start the Clinicians Implant Academy and assemble a faculty of specialists so that we can provide a full spectrum of surgical and restorative information, experiences, skill building seminars, all the way up to live patient observation and participation in an effort to correct that. Well, we really have a broad array of clients. It's as simple as individual practitioners who want to move from being exposed to dental implants in dental school but don't have the confidence to carry out their skills in practice, to groups of individuals who are trying to move the needle on the growth of the implant section of that business, all the way up to specialists and residents in specialty training programs who are already knowledgeable and skilled in the initial steps in implant knowledge and surgery, but want to augment and increase their skills while being taught by specialists. I like to think that what sets the CAI apart is our commitment to ongoing training and mentorship. We really care about the progressive learning of our clients so that wherever they start, as they continue through our program, there's follow through, there's progression, there's true knowledge attainment and skill building so that they feel like they're accompanied on this journey. It's way more than just a one-off course where you learn a little bit about a technique or a product and go back with very little guidance on how to implement that into your practice. We do it totally differently. We facilitate the customized training so that any clinician at any level can achieve their implant-related goals. What's really unique about our faculty is that they're all specialists in what they do. We have restorative and surgical specialists, and that's who we put together to teach these courses, so that you're not learning from someone who they themselves doesn't know the technique or hasn't known it for very long. These are people that practice their individual specialty and have at a very high level that are bringing their knowledge and their skills to bear for the betterment of our clients. So if you want to learn all things implants, you want to learn from the elite specialists at the CIA.